fields of gold and cotton rolls, a never-ending sky. That take it slow, easy road, man, that's life. Miles and miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe, it's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in a country, caught up in a country.
Well, we're back again, guys. We've been hunting hard this year and we're going into the second week, and we haven't had that good of a weather throughout this week, but we've called in a lot of jakes, so that's really good for next year. And we finally got a break in the weather, and it's supposed to be 75 degrees and sunny today, and birds ought to be rolling, so we're going to go ahead and get in and get set up.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the turkey woods. We got a bird gobbling not 100, 150 yards up on this hillside. And we got our fingers crossed that he's going to pitch straight down in here and come in. Now, the way our season's been going, I don't know about that, but we're going to give it our best shot and see. But I think we're going to get this bird.
So on this particular morning, we're hunting a field that me and Landon know very well. It's a field that we hunted at its use, and me and him have both taken a lot of great birds out of this field. And on this particular morning, the hillside to the left of us for sure had two gobblers on it. One we knew was farther down and one we knew was closer. And our hopes were that one of them would eventually work into our decoys. So the first bird off the limb is the bird farther down, and he pitches down all the way at the end of the field. He struts around down there for a little bit and then decides he's going to go back up the hill. But we still haven't forgotten about the bird that was closer to us. And even though he didn't pitch into the field, we knew he had to be in that area. And whenever we laid eyes on him, he was close. So this bird is just putting on a show for us, and there for a second it kind of worried us because we thought he was going to head the other direction. But he was just taking his sweet time, and it wasn't long before he turned and he came right to us.
Smoke City, baby, we got him. We got him. Oh my God. We let the freaking shotgun speak. And them longbeard shells, look what it did to him. It absolutely toasted him. For a season like we've had, this was the most unreal morning we've had. I bet we've called in 30 or 40 jakes this year, and we had two gobblers on this hillside. One pitched down far, one pitched down here. This one worked down to us, the other one worked away. But oh my God, it's been a season full of ups and downs. And I tell you what, hunting's not all about killing, but it sure is a nice tag along when you can pull it off.
Well, like I said before, Winchester Longbeard. I don't know why anyone would shoot anything different at a turkey, because look at that. He didn't move, didn't flop. I tell you what, it stopped it. What? He's a pretty nice bird, not my biggest bird ever, but he's got nice hooks on him, nice beard. That's it. I mean, he put on a show for us. He came all the way down this hill behind the Landon, who's behind the camera, and I mean, just worked in. I mean, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 12 yards. And the field that we're in right now, actually, we burned about a month ago probably, and you can see it's just coming up green. I mean, these turkeys just absolutely flock to it, and we've had a rough season. We've hunted this field before and haven't had much luck, but I mean, it absolutely paid off. But we're gonna take some pictures of this guy and get them all cleaned up and in the freezer. I just want to thank everybody for watching today's video. If you haven't seen Landon's turkey hunt, I'll leave it linked in the description below. If you have any comments, comment below. We'll get back to every single one of them. If not, like and subscribe. And we have more turkey hunting coming up. Deer season's right around the corner. We're getting ready for that. And I tell you what, it's going to be a good season. You don't want to miss it. You can follow us on Instagram at Triple Beam Outdoors or Facebook at Triple Beam Outdoors. And we'll see you next time.